Hey there, and welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio. My name is Miss Diana, and I'll be your teacher. I'm so glad you're here. There's a free mini course workbook waiting for you in the description below. It's your guide for this journey, full of colorful pictures, fun tips, and space to keep track of your progress. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. All right, let's dive into today's lesson, hand posture. Now, hand position is actually a very natural thing. Notice that when you have your hand at a relaxed posture, your fingers automatically have a natural curve about them. We don't walk around with our fingers straight out. So why would we play this way? We actually have this beautiful relaxed posture that happens with our hand when we simply let the fingers fall. We don't ever want to over curve, but we want to have a nice gentle curve because we actually want to play on this part of the finger, not this part, not the pad, which seems like it might be. That's why we need to keep our fingernails nice and short so that we're able to play right here where our fingernails and our fingers meet. So when we have our hands down in position, you'll find that you have a nice natural curve. So in our course, we do start up here on the black keys because that gives us the ability to play with a nice, easy curve. Then later on, we'll move down to the white keys and that curve will still be there, ready to go. Go ahead with me and place your hands on your piano with this nice natural curve. Do they look like mine? So another way is going to look for this nice natural curve. So when we put our hand out on the keys, you'll see that we don't have a harsh curve. We don't have straight fingers. When we do that, if you notice, your thumb can't reach the keys. So we want to have a nice natural curve to the finger. You can imagine like you're holding on to something like an orange, which would have that nice round curve around and would naturally fall. The thumb rests lightly on the side, and then every finger gets a key, and you're set up and ready to go. Great job today! You're one step closer to becoming a piano superstar. If you had fun, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when the next lesson drops. And don't forget to check the mini course workbook below. It's the perfect way to keep the learning going between videos. See you next lesson.